How to use the coolant machine. Add new coolant into the machine. Coolant quantity filling amount 6-8L. Disconnecting car lines. Remove the hose from the upper part of the radiator. Plug in the appropriate connector and install it. Air removal. Tubing air should be drained for the first time. Functional use and valve steering. Valve 1 turns to the replace direction. Select the filling function. When new coolant is seen to drain, complete the drain operation. Heating coolant. Connect the return and outlet pipe. The red one is the new liquid outlet pipe. The black pipe is the old liquid return pipe. Valve closed condition. Turn on the heat switch. Valve 1 turns to the replace direction. Select the heating function. When the temperature reaches 90 degrees Celsius, the buzzer alarms. Turn off heat switch. Cycle cleaning. Valve open condition. Start the car engine. After the fan starts, indicates that the thermostat is started. Turn valve 1 to replace position. Turn valve 2 to cleaning position. Select the cleaning function. The old coolant circulates through the filter. Complete cleaning. Coolant exchange. Valves 1 and 2 go to the replace position. Select the replace function. Exchange complete. Reset car line. Recovery coolant. Turn valve 2 to the replace position. Select the recovery function. Connect the liquid return pipe to a short pipe. Adding coolant. Connect the liquid outlet pipe to a short pipe. Turn valve 1 to the replace position. Select the filling function. This function works the same as emptying a new oil drum. Empty used oil tank. Turn valve 1 to empty old liquid position. Select the filling function. Note, the injection interface is used to empty new/old oil drums.